There's something how is do as the Dante. Have this small account and actually normalize it to doing the scalping. Scalping is very interesting, especially when you just know that. And on this account, if you can just make between 2,000 and 5,000 every day, then actually, how is that's something actually can even pay sometimes some of the bills over there. So this is the money. Maybe I want some money tomorrow. I want 2K. I can just come over here and scalp and get the money and just use it the way I just want. That is what I call the scalping account over here. I know you can see it's just a live account here, so you have seen that. Now you can see, let me just show you a random things honey here. So you can see there are a lot of things. I just want to show you on that. So today is date 28. You can see $33. That's more than 4K. 7 that is 25. That is more than 3K. You can even just go to any random day, like on that date one here, that was negative $2. You see, we have $24 here. Okay, we have on that day $21, and Friday. So you can see on Friday $41. So that's a lot of money when it can't just come to that. Let's just go to another month so that you can see that is what I've just been doing. Let's just select a random day and like this 21. $5 here. That was not a lot. 2020, $35 here. Let's just go to another one, the 28. Let's select another one, 26. As long maybe it is between the weeks. So this day I didn't make anything. Maybe there was running trends. Monday here, 1,000 there. So let's just even go to Monday, date 3. So you can see $27. So you can see this is a scalping account and actually pay even your bills. Let's just go to date. This is on Saturday. Let's just go to date 24. Which another day can we select? Maybe in date 19, the end of the month. So you can see this account, despite making little amount of money, is actually profitable right over here. Like, let me just go to click like last month, and you can see this is a lot of money. That is last month, $297. That's more than how much? I don't know how much is that. Maybe around, I don't know. Maybe if you're just good in calculation, you can calculate that 35,000, 40,000 is good. There is a good amount of money that can pay actually your bills. This money can pay your rent. It's not a bad amount of money. There's money you can just be using over here and there. Okay, and when I click, let me show you something so that people can see these. Let's click 3 months. So you can see 3 months have been consistently making almost the same amount of money, because if you divide this divided by 3, you can see something like almost 300 to 200 there, has 250 or more than let's say 30,000 there, 30,000 per month, and this is amount of money that can actually pay someone rent over here. So yeah, so it's amazing. You can see just scalping here and there, and then you can just make this amazing amount of money. Scalping is good. You can see my positions that I enter here. I can enter GBP, USD, and I can enter between here and I get $5, and that is now I close even the position with negative $4. So this is just a scalping. You can see all this. I don't own so much on positions here. This is a scalping, and that's what can tell you it's really a scalping, because you can see there's not a lot of profit over here, like thousands of dollars here. So you can see we have $10, $6, and that is what I acquire here. I get $16, I get $30, and that is at the end of the month you are still profitable over there. So it's not matters of making millions of amount of money. Profitable, this is what it means. 30,000 is actually the salary of someone. $730, that's almost 100,000 in 3 months, and that's a good amount of money maybe to do 1, 2, 3 right over there. So if you want to be scalping right over here, it can just be interesting here. It can just pay you. You can see even some position I don't actually this one went to $3. We have $14, $19 on the gold side. That is our highest position. I may just been closing over here $3. You can see not a lot of money. I closed these losses here on the UT 100. That's long. Yeah, so that's what I do over here, and just scalping here and there using this account, and actually it's a very profitable account. I don't know whether I can just show you maybe more than 3 months, but I think that is what I can just show you over here. 3 months last month, and I can just show you something else. I've showed you the daily money that you can just make there. If you can make 4,000 at the end of the week, then you have around 3,000 times 5, that is 15,000 at the end of the week, just scalping and making small amount of money, instead of flipping the account over there, risking all the amount of money. And believe me or not, this account is not the small account that you just think over here. I'm being scalping. I put a lot of money here. This account has a position of 350,000. This live account here has more than 350,000, and it's just for scalping, making this small amount of money. So it means I'm not always in a hurry to make even if the position, actually I can just decide to open higher positions where I can put a lot sizes over here, but just scalping, although it has that a lot of money right over there. Maybe you have seen something that can just help you over here. Consider that, scalp a little bit. If you're not good in that market to hold position, if your account isn't small, you can consider details. You can just become profitable. This is a lot of money. Don't be blind by people showing you millions of money over there. Get contented by what you just get right over there. If you want to see my accounts over there, then you can just search over here, and you can see everything. Okay, bye bye.